Jeffrey's coming. Just wait. He's coming.
Oh! I'll be here with Vlogmas. Vlogmas.
A year ago, Jeff signed up to do this half Ironman.
So you could like chill. I'm gonna be there and be like, oh, babe. I'm taking my first break.
Half an Ironman consists of a 1 mile swim in a freezing cold lake, a 55-mile bike ride,
What you want, baby?
and a 13-mile run. Getting ready for a half Ironman is no joke.
ID?
I need your QR code and your ID.
Some people spend over a year just getting ready for this one day.
I gave you a time slot for those shuttle buses. Okay, make sure you follow that and be out of that last bus. Okay, don't.
Shall be ready.
My favorite part about all this training, we are going to compression therapy because
Blood flow, lots of blood flow.
why are you dipping your wetsuit and stuff?
I think they don't want it dirty. They just dip it in chlorine for 15 seconds to kill anything that's on your wetsuit. This is game time. There's no joking around, huh?
One across the lake.
Wow. Yeah, I'm convinced that only crazy people sign up for this race. And mind you, this is only a half.
I'm gonna change it for good luck.
There you
Let's
go.
go. Oh, is it 113? To making next year a better year at Indian Wells. Wait, you didn't even sip it. You gotta sip it, like for real.
I did.
It's not horrible.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.